top of the wall where those fenders are. Then you modulate the gas pedal on and off in order to keep that car up there as close as possible without hitting it. The drift toaster puts butter on everyone else's bread. Look at how close he is on that wall as he spreads it on thick. Oh, the bump sends him into a spin, but it's hard to argue with that wall ride. Underdog in our group. Most unsports car-like vehicle we have.